Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Then again 13 minus 4 is equal to also 9. Now 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also, addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So, according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 13 minus 4. Now solve this parenthesis. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. So is equal to, here is multiplication and here is subtraction. Okay, both have equal priority. Sorry, here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So first priority is according to the rule multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 13 minus 4 multiply 9 is equal to 36. Okay, now 13 minus 36 is equal to minus 23. So the correct answer is minus 23. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.